Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Xdefiant Error Code Delta-24 on PS5. So, the first thing we should do is try relaunching the game. Just press and hold the PS button on the controller to go to home screen. After that, highlight Xdefiant. Press the Options button on the controller. Press the X button and select Close Game at the top of the drop-down menu. The PS5 will indicate that the game is being closed down. Now, try relaunching Xdefiant. If the problem still appears, then move on to the next method, which is to check the game's server status. Please, visit Xdefiant official X page by visit the link in description. After that, check if there are any messages about server problems or maintenance time. If everything is fine, then move on the next method. Check for update the game and system software. Just highlight Xdefiant, then press the Options button on the controller. Select Check for Update at the top of the drop-down menu. After checking for game updates, let's check for system software updates for PS5. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Select Update System Software. Select Update using Internet and wait for the download and installation to complete. Now, if the problem still appears, then try use manual DNS and MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option depending on how you connect. It can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS Settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK. Then check if error code Delta-24 is gone. If not working, one more time, come back there. After that, go to MTU settings. Select Manual. Select MTU, then change the value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. One more time, check if error code Delta-24 is gone. Now, if you still cannot connect to the game's servers, then try power cycle the router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Next, check to see if you are using the beta version of Xdefiant. If so, please uninstall Xdefiant Beta, then reinstall Xdefiant official release version. Finally, factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code Delta-24 is gone. If the problem still appears from time to time, then it is probably beyond your control. In my opinion, the Xdefiant publishing team needs some time to optimize the game, as well as the bandwidth of servers. So what we need to do now is just wait patiently. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.